everyone, today we're going to be looking at this month's Paletteful pack, which is May 2021. Let's see what we have. The first thing we're going to be looking at is this Marabou fluid art brush. There are 3 of them in the set and they're watercolor brushes. I don't really like these kind of watercolors, but there are 3 different sizes in this, which is pretty cool for people who may like it. Next we have this Uniball Signal gel pen, white gel pen. This is transparent watercolor, peerless transparent watercolors. There are 30 of them, and this is by an artist called Autumn Chu. This artist selected these 30 different colors in the set, and these watercolors are on a piece of paper, which I've never done before, so this is interesting. I wonder how this is gonna be, and I'm glad they're not attached together, because I've seen a few other people where they can't close it, they have to wait for it to dry up. So I'm looking forward to using this. The set has many different colors, like this one, Bismarck brown, olive green. There's nice selections of greens, reds, pinks, purples, and yellows, which is nice. I just hope I like them. We also got this cute sticker. It's a paintbrush, which is really cute. I love getting the stickers in this. And lastly, we have this watercolor paper. It's a cold press Canson watercolor paper, and it is 9 by 12, and it has 30 sheets, which is crazy. I'm really happy about this one. Really nice paper in it. And this is all we have for this month's Paletteful pack, May 2021. It's a watercolor box, which is really nice. I don't think we've had a watercolor box in a while. No, we did, like 2-3 months ago. This is nice. We have so many different colors. Yeah! I'm really curious about these. Let's see how it goes. I will be making another video trying out all the art supplies in this box. Please look forward to that. Thank you for watching.